Hey, what we'll do, we'll just switch off the camera. Because the camera is good to learn from.
Back up, everybody's offside.
Back up, Alex.
Back up.
Everybody listen to this guy right here.
Chris, back up.
Good. Keep going. Keep going, Chris. Push ahead of the football. There you go.
God damn, let's not start this.
Get there.
Hey, good catch, Randy Lynn.
Hey, good catch! Good catch, baby! Hey, Q! Hey, Quentin! Great catch, Alex! Next play. Slide in, slide in!
Is it
Girl, closed. I have no idea.
What you saying, Coach?
I was ready to say going next play, but they got girls play. Hell of a catch, baby. Way to stay focused.
Hey, hey!
Keep going.
Way to work, Randy Lynn.
Turn short.
Hey, you want me to go this way?
Right, Jay.
Back on.
Shit, let them stay. They earning this
Yeah, I was
one.
about to say,
They earning this. You know what I mean? They earning it. That's what I'm talking about.
Grind your way down the field. That's what I was talking about. Just these short passes.
I don't want him to get stuck throwing it to Randy Lynn though. At the same time. There it is. Ah. He turned the wrong way. That's all.
Good.
Oh, here's this one?
No. Oh. Not a wiper, right?
Okay.
Great defense. Great time. Scored down. Come on, step it up. Let's go.
Hey, what league did you guys
Hey,
play?
ref.
Did you play in this league with me?
Yeah, I did. Ref, where's the first down? Ref, where's the first? Hey, offense, first down.
That's a quick play. What team did you play on before this?
YOLO.
Line set.
Hey, good catch, CJ.
Yeah, good catch, CJ.
Hey, they're zoning because they're leaving girls on this side the whole time. They're not
Open.
Yeah.
As soon as they get off the field, we'll let them know. We don't want to scream it then.
Yeah. Alex should be able to exploit that whoever comes over. So.
Right.
Chris, you coming out? No, the girls went in.
Girls in. Six, 7, 8. Yeah, man. I love. This is working out good.
We're still the only team that runs the option offense, really.
Yeah.
The draft because it's not.
It does. Well, that's
You
because.
guys wanted to kill me when I ran.
Right. That's because you're a good quarterback.
Line set. Wait, back up. Short side back up. There you go. Sit. Go.
Run, T.
Yeah, T. Yeah, T. Good catch. Yeah.
And that's a girl play. Go.
This is a beautiful thing right here.
That's what I'm loving.
It's less stressful.
Yeah.
On the other side of the field.
Tight, play tight. How far we are?
No, you can't go on the field.
Go this way.
You can go. Just go back. Play tight. Just run across.
Ref said go. Ref said go.
Go, go, go.
A little faster.
Five on the line.
5 on the line.
Good. Sit. Go.
Yeah, CJ. Good catch. It's right here. He almost made it.
Third down, second open.
Is it like the NFL where you stick the ball in?
Yep, that's all you gotta do.
Can't dive though.
No, can't leave your feet.
Stay right here.
Guys, keep it up.
On set.
I'll take that.
Okay.
Go, Chris!
That's touchdown.
That's touchdown!
That's touchdown. There you go, baby.
Get the ball. Get the ball.
What I'm talking about? Always need the ball, though. We need the ball.
Great job, Chris.
All right, defense. Set them up. You got him and him corners.
Yep, James and you and me.
All right. Eddie, you're going to come in on corner for backup. Oh, yeah, we on D. Y'all on offense still. Still on offense. Still on offense.
Right side is.
Somebody hold this while we... I'm about to go on defense. Thanks.
That's okay. Okay, we set the lead.
Hold that, let me tie my shorts up. Hold that, let me tie my shorts up. Yeah, so they come back.
Okay, we got something to do today then.
And it wasn't even a last place team. It was like a mid team, and they kept talking shit to me. I was so pissed. Back up. Far side, back up. I can't see the cone.
Q, back up!
Back up!
If I can't see the cone, you're off. Line set. You're good. He's good now. He's good now. Sit. Go.
Good defense. That's great defense.
Coming out, Randy.
Hey, good drop! Good drop!
Y'all good? Eric and Tanisha.
Eric, you want a break?
Are y'all good?
Yeah. Go ahead. T, you good?
Crazy over here.
That was Q's pass, wasn't it? Was that me up here?
No, that was you, because they brought 3 like that, but they're not going to do that every time. So we just drop off the ball.
I know my team, we played that right there on that center, and he doesn't leave.
Right.
And then I was like, you will throw the ball. I was saying, like, after like 3 times, like, fuck, so sorry. I hate that pass.
Let's go, D. Stop him.
Line is set.
Wiggy! Hey! Wiggy! Yo, watch the slant! Right here, Joe!
Ball up!
Oh, good D! Good D!
Right.
Good D! 10 and 4 females. Good D! Hey, one, a few other guys actually throw the ball. So it's pretty fun. Most guys like to run around. What, baby? Yeah, in his league, most guys run around. So that's why your other guy knows that throw. I know, I play that.
Good
I
job,
play
girls.
line
Keep it
on
up.
run nowhere. I run.
I got the athletes to do what they need to do.
You got to run because
You know what I'm saying?
eventually you play good teams. You have
Girls,
to
make
run a
sure
bit.
you're talking.
Right. That's something I got to get used to.
But if you can throw, you kill people.
Right.
The safeties here suck.
Yeah.
No key is getting the ball.
Girls, be ready. Talk it up.
Line set.
Hey,
T, stay home. Watch that
Be deep.
I ain't even done.
Watch that side, T!
Deep.
One time, they're good.
I had to turn the other way.
What's that? Swella, what's up, bud?
What's up, baby? You should have told me last night when we went to the store that
It's all
you needed
good.
something.
Dan the man
I got,
had me.
okay, because I
you
got
got?
something in the car, but it's hot.
Oh,
I got
that's
water.
all good. That's what I need. I still want it.
All right. I can sweat and I ain't done shit. God damn.
Stay home, T.
Line set.
Use it. Take it, guys.
I wish this was the shit that's set on your shoulder.
No, you don't.
That's I do.
That bitch should be so heavy.
My arm getting tired.
Yeah, at least 10 pounds. Like 15 at least.
Hey, club, you know what to do?
I just gained weight.
Ladies, you know
Move
what
up a little closer.
Well played, girl.
Nothing deep.
Ball! Ball!
Right?
Toss it down.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Your way, that way so easy.
Hey, Ant, you still hey, Ant, you still should have ran with him. You could have intercepted that jump.
Safety.
Good blitz.
Closed again. It's closed again.
Girls, you know what you're doing.
You know what you're doing, lady.
Yeah, girls up. Close play, girls, you know what you're doing. Unless it's a girl quarterback.
Stay with a girl right now. Matter of fact, hey, stay with this one right here.
I'm behind the line. Somebody pick up the
Line set.
It's Spain.
Don't get beat deep. Go, ladies.
It's a run.
Get it.
Good job.
Good flag.
She didn't tap
They ain't past last one. Nope.
Does that was fourth and out?
Hey, good tap.
They punting.
Y'all punt.
They punting.
Punt. Chris, come out.
Hey, all speed go out there. Yo.
You go out there?
Yeah, you go. James, come out, James.
Yeah, I'm up.
Okay.
Randy Lee.
God, we close when I seen that though.
Hi, honey. Hi, baby. How you doing? I'm doing good. I'm sweating. I was like, I could have swore they thought today was going to be cooler.
It was earlier. We playing in the middle of the damn day.
All right, run it.
No, Dad. No fumbles in the league.
Tackle him. Go for the ball.
Yeah, and immensely people do stupid stuff, even though it's still the same like dead ball.
Come on, O. Let's do that again. Keep it going, O. Hey, what's the offside?
Line good, bro? Line good, bro?
There it is. Beautiful. Great defense. Second down.
Don't let that rush get to you.
You're throwing it high because of it.
Watch 23, watch 23. Go.
Yeah, good catch.
Right.
Third down, first open.
I'm sweating.
Get a few games under your belt, it'll pick up quick. Yeah, I mean, we're looking good. Real. Also helps sun's away.
Knee hurt.
Knock on wood. Just downfield. Both of them. Pieces are coast.
Coming up, cover up. Turn down, first off. On set. No.
Bring the house, hands up.
Good catch.
Keep it going, guys. Good job. the other guy.
By Drano.
5:15 and running.
Watch short.
On them close plays, looking like they trying to do
On set.
big snap. What I did was I played in between the girl and the boy. That way, either one, depending on who.
Simple pass.
Go time out.
Come on, dude. I'm trying to get there.
Defense, let's go.
Pause it.
You in for me.
Hit somebody, baby.
Talk to Dane.
Let them hit you.
Guys,
Get the ball back.
Can hit your short hands when it's time to.
Hi, baby.
So, do you want to go in?
Sure.
Yeah, go. Go in for Erica. Or, yeah, have Erica come out. Erica, come out a couple more so she can get in.
Right.
I forgot that she was over there.
Stand up, defense.
Guys, stop them. Nothing behind you.
We got 20 yards.
Dan,
Hold
everything
them.
okay?
Girls, make sure you're knowing. Anisha, run the girls out there while you're out there, please.
Oh, Schwiller out there. Don't hurt nobody, Schwiller.
If you do, hurt them hard.
Dan's dead. Oh.
Whoa.
Offside.
Use it, guys. Use it. What penalty is that?
Offside.
Yeah, but like, what do we get?
5 yards.
Thank you.
They go 5 yards back. In the second down, right?
Nah, they don't lose it then. It's the same thing.
I'm amazed you don't know the rules of football, but
I don't know the rules in
you're
this
such an
one.
amazing player.
I don't know the rules in flag football. It's different. I mean, they're similar. I just didn't know.
That rule's the same.
Okay. Well, okay. All that matters is I can play, right? I don't even know the rules.
Right. That's what matters today.
Make sure you're talking out there, D.
We gotta let Dan know.
He's running.
He's taking off.
Come on.
He's taking off.
You close him out. Close him out. Good job.
all they can
Good
do.
defense, D.
You got 7, 8. Like 12.
Way to push him to the sideline, ladies.
Keep it on this side. Yeah, hey, you have 35 seconds though. 35 seconds. From
Guys, hold on. Nothing.
I'll let you know in 20 seconds.
Ladies, you gotta force him back to the middle. Stay right. Stay outside. You got containment.
Ladies, nothing behind. Is this close? Is this a close play? Ref, is this close? Ref, is this open? Open or
Don't let him
close?
outside of you, D.
He's the guy.
Don't let him outside of you.
I have the girls play on the corners right up.
Is one more play till open or till
Read
close?
his eyes, Swayla. Swayla. Get in his eyes.
Thank you. Thank you. Nothing behind, guys. Keep them in front. 30 seconds.
35.
Good job.
Play the female. 35 seconds.
But this is 4th down, right?
Guys, fourth.
Fourth down.
Hold them.
Third first.
What is it? They said 4, but we didn't say
It's 4.
Third first. That's what he just said.
What is it?
4th down. This should be 4th down. Contact.
Hey, ref.
They started at 20. They started.
Jazz, yeah, he's good.
Oh, okay.
It's fourth.
That's why you catching all them balls. You got motherfucking speed cleats on, man.
I told you I got some new
Yeah, you did.
They confirming the call right now. Third.
Hold them here, guys.
You push them back. You never had the
Oh,
first.
penalty pushing them back. You don't get it.
Then they stop the business.
That's a penalty takes you back.
That's all it's supposed to be back. You still got a little time.
Nothing behind.
Oh, run. Yes, sir.
Good job, guys. Hold them. Good defense. Let's go. Hold them here.
Past that, right? Then you back them up. Right. First down.
Right.
Nothing here, guys. Stay on them.
It's really screwy because it's not like NFL rules apply to this.
We got timeout. Timeout. Blue. Timeout blue. Yeah.
and then you going to TGT concert.
All three of us going in after.
Okay.
Yeah, that was a good concert.
Definitely.
I like with us just running girls. It's so much easier. Go grab one of my quarterback.
I told.
I just said go get a drink of my quarterback.
Yeah.
Just go get a drink of.
She did.
I don't want none of your quarterback. I'll pass on the quarterback.
Wow, that's embarrassing. Anyway,
Let's go, defense! Well open. Line is set.
Hey, ref, the ball's not inside the foot.
That's fine.
Ref. Ref, the ball's
I
in
don't
the
care about that.
That's a flag. What do you mean it's not you don't care? That's a flag. The ball got to be on the outside of the foot.
nothing behind!
Whoa!
Get up there! Thank you.
That's not going to change it.
I got called for that last
Yeah, I
week.
know, and I'm telling you that it's not. I mean, girls do it right.
That's a guy.
Girls off.
That's a
guys
guy.
gonna do it right.
Can you have someone tape,
All
please?
Do your thing. Do your thing. You got 15 seconds, y'all. You got 15 seconds.
Hey, Dad.
Good job on D.
What'd I tell you? What'd I tell you? 15, you know what I mean?
You said 15 or 15.
I was like, he's either going to get a full pass or he's going to
Let's go.
Line is set.
Back up, back up, back up. You know what I mean? So whichever,
Line is
that's
set.
calm inside, you know?
Watch out, man. Watch out.
Clock's still running, guys. Clock's still running in the first half.
Time out, time out, time out, time out. Hold it for 10.
He called it at 10.
Hey, ref. Who am I supposed to say time out to him or you? You're not calling him.
He's got the clock.
Well, you heard him say it.
Back up.
Let's go, Jazz.
You're all off.
Back up, back up. Randy Lynn, back up.
You're good.
Let's go, Jazz. Ah.
You can play, like this is the setting, right? So you can play on this side.
How you stop it from recording, you know? This one?
I think so.
No. Wait, start, stop.
It said
I don't want to erase it.
I see a pause button in the front.
Jazz, Jazz, press this to pause it.